Hey folks, it's another Farmer Friday. We're here at the farm on a beautiful summer day near the end of August. And a lot of things going on. You can see some of our staff in there in the historic dairy barn. That's upstairs from where the tasting room is located. They're getting ready some of our Christmas items. Yeah, the Christmas items in the gift shop need a lot of preparation, so that's going on there. We've got one of our subcontractors doing some paint maintenance on some of our old buildings, and we're out in the fields doing some work. You might hear in the distance one of a heavy equipment operator tearing up some stairs out in the parking lot that's being replaced. But here we are at our Harvest Kitchen Garden, and we have our Apprentice Michael. How are you, Michael?
Hello, I'm great. How about you?
I am well. So you've been with us for this year thus far. This is your first year as an apprentice on the farm. So you've seen some of the summer seasons.
Absolutely.
And we're transitioning at the end of August here in our Harvest Kitchen Garden with some produce that we're harvesting for the cooking class that's being held on Thursday. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you have harvested here?
So down here, you see we have an assortment of fruits and vegetables. We have some eggplant here in this bowl, as well as some sweet corn, some fresh tomatillos, our first harvest we've had so far this year.
Tomatillo, what is that?
Tomatillos are just like a small, slightly different variety of a green tomato. Very good. We're going to be making a green salsa verde for our cooking class, roasting up some of these vegetables as well. See, we also have some smaller grape tomatoes and some ground cherries as well.
I know what ground cherries are. People, if you have not tried a ground cherry, they are delicious. It's just, it's like a little tomato inside that little paper wrap, correct?
Correct.
Is it called? It's not really called a paper wrap. It looks like a brown paper, but it's obviously part of it.
Yeah, just a little protective coating to keep them nice and safe.
Is there anything in the garden that's growing that we haven't harvested for the cooking class? Anything that's maybe coming near the end of its season? I see some sunflowers. Obviously, that's not something that we eat, but there's some tomatoes along here, and anything else that...
Yeah, a little further down, we have an excellent assortment of peppers in the garden this year. Been doing a little experiment with Jamie Jones. He loves his peppers. We also have some zucchini and other squashes, some fresh herbs like cilantro and basil as well.
Terrific. Well, I see over there in the distance, that's Farmer Jean Jones is in the kitchen, and she is in the kitchen garden. And she's looking through the harvest as well. I see some, is that kale I see down there as well?
That is kale, yes.
Okay.
Kale, a lovely hardy vegetable that'll grow all throughout the summer. One of the first vegetables to prop up in your garden as well, and it will continue growing through the long months of summer as well. Very versatile.
Last night when I was leaving the office, Farmer Terry Jones was out here and he harvested some potatoes.
Yes.
And so that's something that's also in season at the moment as well. So, hey, thanks very much, Michael. It's a beautiful day out here, and we hope that you're able to get out into your own garden and harvest the bounty of the summer and make it a delicious day, folks. We'll see you out here at the winery, open Thursday through Sunday. Check our website for details. So long.